Hi guys, we are back again with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Saturday, January the 2nd, 2021. The first newspaper in 2021, yes. And the second Sudoku will be a 4-star Sudoku, and this will be a number 2100. Yes, 2100. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, it's disappointing again. It's again 25 printed digits. I have already counted the numbers. So 25. So I believe that the Sudoku with 1 star and 2 stars also has 25 printed digits. Normally the 1 star has 27, the 2 stars 26, 3 stars 25, and the 4 stars 24. Anyway, so let's get started. I see here in the first row 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We see there 5 in this big square, so no 5s in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Alright. So these 2 numbers are left for the numbers 6 and 3. 6 and 3, we see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 6 goes there. We have a 3 and a 6 in this column. Also a 3 and a 6 in the last column. So in the column between, the 3 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes, because it cannot be in that box. Here we have also 6 and a 3 in the other box. So in this column, the 6 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 3 goes there. Then we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row, so in the row between. The second row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 1. I need to wait for more information. How about the number 4 in this column? 4 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 5. We see here 3 and a 5 in the second row, so no 3 and a 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 and a 5 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other 2 boxes are left for the numbers 7 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there, and the 7 goes here. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 6 will be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 will be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. All right. And now, yeah, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in that box. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in the third row. A 9 in the first row, so no row between. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then 2 numbers left. In the second row, the 2 and the 8. 2 and the 8, we see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in that box. The 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So those two numbers should be the 2 and the 9. Let me mark those two numbers. It's a pair. So the other pair in the third row should be the numbers 7 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those numbers. All right. Then let me see. 8, 4, 5. Yeah. All right. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for a 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for a 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 8 is missing. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left. The last column, the 7 and the 4. We see there 4, no 4 there. So the 4 goes here and the 7 in this box. Right. All right. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. How about those two numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 5 and the 8, I believe. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 is missing in this big square. 4 is missing in this big square. And the 9 is missing in this big square. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait again. How about... Yeah. How about 3, 5, 9? Yeah, 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 1. We have a 7 and a 1 in the middle row, so no 7 and a 1 in those two boxes. The 7 and a 1 goes in these two boxes. Let me mark those for you. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. So here we have a pair. So the other pair in the middle column, 3 and 5. The other pair should be the 7 and the 8. Should be 7 and the 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. So here we have a pair 7 and 1. So the other pair should be 3 and a 5. So this should be 3 and a 5. Alright. Alright. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 4, I believe. Yes, 4 is missing. 4 in this first row column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright, number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them again. 2 pairs in this big square. Alright. 9. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 5, the 8, and the 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. Here also a 9, so no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 5 and the 8 are left. 5 and the 8, we see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 5. Alright. Then. How about yeah, 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 2 and 7, I believe. Yes. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. So the 7 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. Now we have a 7 here, so this can be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 9. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 9 and the 8. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and 8 is missing. 5 we have here. A 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finishing 13 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku. How could that be? Yes, and I like this one with 4 stars. Normally, for a 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve, but this one in 13 minutes. So I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus I will solve for today. It will be a binary and a tectonic. And if I have time tomorrow, spare time, then I will solve the other 4 Sudokus. Cannot promise you, but we will see. So see you later. Bye bye for now.